बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरी उन तमाम दोस्तों से गुज़ारिश है कि जिन्होंने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, वो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आने वाली तमाम वीडियोज़ आप तक पहुँच सकें। थैंक यू।
There is a new Chief Justice in town, full stop. And as with any transition at the big white building of justice, much is usually written about the old and new sheriffs, for in countries such as ours, it is hard to assess the performance of those in power when they are present, full stop. Only in their retirement do many of us find the courage to write about their tenure, except for those who are elected. They are generally least likely to take offense or are too powerless to do so, full stop. But I digress. Full stop. As the transition took place, much has been written about the one who left and the one who has now taken over, full stop. Some of the commentary has been rather detailed and full of legalese about judgments and what they wrote and didn't and how legal it was, full stop. These details are for the more legally literate, full stop. New para. For the rest of us who view the world more simplistically, our adjudicators' behavior is easier to understand in the larger context of politics, full stop. For politics in our pure land is played out through the legal and constitutional framework, even though rules and laws have little to do with it, full stop. But to say all too often, this is not deemed acceptable, debating legalese is far more time consuming and complex, full stop. Indeed, what would television discussions be without two lawyers with opposing views who can argue at length and fill airtime, full stop. However, behind it all, there is one reality, a power struggle called politics, full stop. In this, the constant are the politicians and the establishment, full stop. New para, the third player, post 2008, is the judiciary, full stop. The establishment's power is the reality, but it lacks legitimacy or legal power, as long as we are playing at being a democracy, full stop. And this handicap becomes a little less relevant when the judiciary can play an effective role, full stop. From Iftihar Chaudhry to Saqib Nisar, the law conveniently led to results which made politics possible, full stop. The twice resurrected chief may have led to Musharraf's downfall, but his relationship with the powers that be was far more complicated, though little of it has been documented, as history rarely is in Pakistan, full stop. His court played an important role in keeping the PPP in check and at times in disarray, that is, a prime minister's disqualification, as well as so moto actions on rental power projects and the LNG deal, full stop. There was also Mimogate, which when it erupted was feared to lead to the then president's indictment, if not more, full stop. And despite much bluster from the PPP, there was little chance of it defying any order of the court, full stop. New para. Just as an aside, that period was also marked by many cases in which the plight of the disappealed were discussed, but the judgments given in those cases, like other legal documents, require a legal brain, full stop. What would an ordinary journalist know about those who were recovered and those held accountable? Question mark. But the commission of the missing, headed by a retired judge, Javed Iqbal, was formed in those heady days, full stop. Saqib Nisar played a similar role when the PMLN government was ruling the roost, full stop. But this role shaped up once the power battle between the other two had begun and decisions taken, full stop. The disqualification of another prime minister followed, full stop. New para. Perhaps, one can venture so far as to say that as with the power of Article 58 of 2b, the powers were exercised and implemented because of the player that put its weight behind the president in the 1990s, full stop. The equation which emerged post 2008 was similar, full stop. In other words, Pakistan's troika usually sees two of the three stakeholders tilt the balance against the third, full stop. And in this power game, rarely has the political side joined hands with the judiciary against the third, full stop. The elections in KP and Punjab saw a split among the traditional allies, when it seemed the Chief Justice and some of his colleagues felt the Supreme Court should push for elections in the two provinces within the constitutional limit of 90 days, full stop. However, this was not acceptable to many, full stop. No wonder then, Parliament, overnight, found the strength to rein in the judiciary, full stop. Political parties which had earlier capitulated to the judiciary and made changes to the 18th Amendment once the then Supreme Court had pronounced on it, now took a stand and changed the law to dilute the Chief Justice's power to form benches, full stop. Neither were the elections held because the executive found reasons enough to avoid the exercise, full stop. New para. Indeed, there is no doubt the former Chief Justice was unable to manage the differences among his colleagues, but it is worth considering how public these differences became, full stop. There was a history to this. The case against the recently sworn in Chief Justice Qazi Faiz Isa was perhaps the beginning of it, full stop. However, previous Supreme Court Chief Justices had also been guilty of similarly bad habits when only their blue-eyed colleagues were seen to make it to bench after bench, full stop. The Iftihar Chaudhary Court would rarely have dissenting judgments, but none of this made it past hushed gossip, full stop. Was the silence simply due to the populist Chief Justice's charismatic personality, question mark, or because those left out knew the Chief Justice had too many powerful allies and couldn't be challenged question mark and comma, what was the advantage of Iftihar Chaudhary was the disadvantage of the last Chief Justice, comma. Once he and his like-minded colleagues took a position on the issue of elections within 90 days, full stop. New para, the point here is that the judiciary's independence perhaps may not be simply linked to the inhabitants of the Supreme Court and the ability of the man or woman heading them, full stop. It is also linked to the larger politics in Islamabad, full stop. Perhaps this is why there are many who are already predicting the new incumbent can once again get into trouble, full stop. As with those who passed before him, comma, the powers he enjoys are sometimes linked to the politics playing out in the building besides the Supreme Court on the Constitution Avenue, full stop.